today I am cooking my favorite chicken. My hot and spicy chicken.
All right.
This is what it looked like. This is what it's gonna be looking like tomorrow.
I wish this was smell-o-vision because it smells good.
Yes, yes it does. It does. Make me love. Plenty of love.
And what's all this beautiful chicken for?
This is for Voodoo Festival. We're having a festival tomorrow, and this is our chicken that's served with love.
A lot of love.
We're gonna present it to our customers, to our friends, to our spirit that's gonna be there. And this is what everybody's gonna be eating.
What's in here?
This is our rice. Be careful, my baby. This is our rice. This is our famous black rice, which is peas and rice. Hot. Ooh, you see? It's so hot. It's burning me.